Some of the common problems or objections that we have with the Makeup Dirt and Cleansing Oil is that they don't wear makeup, or they're opposed to using oils on their skin. They're afraid that they're going to cause them to break out. One of the best reasons to use oil as a cleanser is it helps break down oil impurities on your skin. It breaks down your dirt, your sebum, pollution, dust, anything that's in the air that you've been exposed to throughout the day without stripping your skin of excess oil, and it leaves your skin soft and smooth. The biggest difference between the Makeup Dirt and Cleansing Oil and the Activated Charcoal Cleansing Oil is really going to be your skin type. If you have more oily and breakout prone skin, we highly suggest that you use the Activated Charcoal Cleansing Oil. Since your skin is dry with minimal breakouts, the Makeup Dirt and Cleansing Oil is fantastic. It's loaded with vitamin E and fatty acids that can help condition and smooth your dehydrated skin, as well as not contribute to breakouts. Cleansing the skin is very important, and at night we typically recommend dual cleansing with the Makeup Dirt and Cleansing Oil and then followed by the Rosewater Cleanser. This helps make sure that you're going to bed with squeaky clean skin. At nighttime, our skin repairs and rejuvenates itself. We want to make sure that we give it its optimal efficiency to be able to do that with clean skin. Our Rosewater Cleanser is the safety net. It makes sure that all of the grime and dirt and bacteria from the day are gone. It doubles as a hydrating blemish control if you're breakout prone, and the rose water is excellent for reducing redness and inflammation in the skin. One of the most common concerns we get about our Rosewater Cleanser is, are essential oils safe for the skin? And they are, as long as they're used in skin-safe ratios. All of our formulations, all of the essential oils used are for their skin nourishing benefits and properties and not specifically for their scent. And they're also well below skin safe ratios. One of the other common concerns we get about the Rosewater Cleanser is it doesn't foam. And how does that work for my skin? So most foaming cleansers are full of drying detergents, and they can evict too much oil and too much hydration from your skin. Our Rosewater Cleanser is a non-foaming cleanser, and it helps remove water-based impurities from your skin without stripping your skin of excess oil. For skin like yours that's dry with minimal breakouts, the Rosewater Cleanser is fantastic. It can help restore the moisture in your skin, as well as leave you with hydrating blemish control. Some of the common concerns about the Rosemary Toner are, is apple cider vinegar good for your skin? And what does toner actually do? Apple cider vinegar is actually really effective at restoring the pH of your skin and helping balance out your microbiome. But just like with any ingredient, you don't want to use too much of it or use it straight. All of our formulations have been formulated to skin-safe ratios. So traditional toners of the past have been pretty astringent and drying to the skin. Unlike the Rosemary Toner, it's very neutral and balancing. It helps balance out the pH of your skin. When you're cleansing your skin, the pH of your skin gets thrown off and it gets a little too high, and the Rosemary Toner is very effective at bringing it back to its natural pH, and that allows the skin to be better receptive to any other products that you're putting on the skin after. For dry, minimal breakout skin such as yours, the Rosemary Toner is an excellent addition to your routine. Apple cider vinegar is also known to help fade age spots, tone, and brighten the skin for a more radiant complexion. Some of the most common concerns we hear about the Intense Hydration Facial Mist are, do I really need to use this? And the answer is, we'd love for you to try it. It's wonderful. It's a great addition into your routine. Do you have to use it? No. But it does really help seal in any moisturizer that you're using at the end of your routine. It is also very calming and uplifting, and it deeply nourishes and moisturizes the skin. Another common concern or question that we hear is, how is this sealing in my moisturization? And it's sealing in the hydration of your skin. Most traditional moisturizers and lotions, they're made with waters or hydrosols and then oils and conditioners or butters, and then there are a bunch of other stuff to keep water and oil together. In our line, we have those separate. It's more adjustable for the skin type, so that way if you need additional hydration, you can saturate your skin with the mist and then apply your moisturizer on top. It allows the moisturizer to sink deeper into the skin without sitting on top of the skin. So part of the reason why it's a little bit different than traditional skincare lines is that you're able to apply this in a way that is unique to you for your skin. If you need additional hydration, i.e. water or the hydrosol into your skin, you're able to mist your skin more and then use the correct amount or the suitable amount for your skin type of moisturizer afterwards. This is very cooling. You can put it in the refrigerator to just give it a little additional of that cooling properties and helps reduce the redness and inflammation in your skin. For dry, minimal breakout prone skin such as yours, the Intense Hydration Facial Mist is going to bring that deep, nourishing, and moisturizing hydration that your skin needs. The Petitgrain Moisturizer is an ideal daily moisturizer for most skin types. It's deeply moisturizing and conditioning to the skin, helping alleviate dryness and flakiness. It also fights bacteria and helps reduce redness. So one of the most common questions is that people don't want to use oils on their skin. It's a common misconception that oil-based products can lead to additional breakouts, but oil-based products can actually help your skin rebalance your sebum production. Many times we start overproducing oil because we're stripping all of our good oil that our skin naturally produces for us. And when you switch over to an oil-based moisturizer, it just helps create a little bit more balance for you. One of the biggest differences between the Intense Hydration Cactus Concentrate and the Petitgrain Moisturizer is the Cactus Concentrate actually targets more hormonal breakouts in the skin, and it can also help with under eye darkness or discolorations under the skin. It helps even and brighten the skin. And the Petitgrain Moisturizer is a little bit heavier and provides more all-day moisturization. The Petitgrain Moisturizer is made with raw, organic, fair trade shea butter. It's very conditioning and soothing. The Petitgrain essential oil can help rebalance sebum production in the skin. And sweet almond oil is a great skin conditioner, and it's loaded with vitamin E. For dehydrated, minimal breakout skin such as yours, the Petitgrain Moisturizer has acne-fighting bacteria properties in this waterless moisturizer, and it can also help seal in the hydration in your skin.